Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today we are going to make a simple baguette pizza slice. Okay, so to make the pizza slice, here we have the stuff that we are going to make it of. Of course there are different ingredients. You can use chicken, meat and other toppings, but what we are using today is sweet corn, jalapenos, olives, green pepper, and the pasta sauce, cheese, and the actual bread, the baguette roll. Okay, so what you want to do is cut that in half, and if you look at the shape, you want to cut it this way, so you have a a larger surface area for the toppings. So you want to cut it like this way. You need a big sharp knife or the bread knife. The baguette is fresh, so it's it's a bit soggy because it's fresh. Okay, so these are quite large. You won't fit in our small oven, so what we're going to do is cut it in half again, like so. Okay, so first we begin with the sauce. So you need some sauce, and you need to spread it like so. So the first one is going to be a sweet corn one. So that's your base done. Now at first a little bit of cheese, then you do sweet corn like so. After sweet corn, you want a lot of cheese on there, like that. And now you just simply put it in the oven. Okay, so here we have 4 slices. These two are sweet corns. This is olive and pepper, and that's jalapeno and sweet corn. So now we're gonna put it in the oven, and it'll be done in no time. Okay, so now put it in the grill. I said oven by mistake, so it's the grill, not the oven. Okay, they are now done. As you can see, it only took 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so as you have seen, it didn't take any time to make. It was very easy to make, and all the stuff you have it in your house, so you can freshly make it for yourself without any efforts. So in the shops, one of the baguette shops, they call it pizza slice, they call it baguette slice or whatever, but this is the thing. So you can choose your own toppings, but that's the one we like. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.